This is the Panda dryer I got from Amazon, $249. Free shipping plus tax. And it's the one that mounts up above the washer machine. You know, it's got the controls at the bottom here. And it has a wall mount that you could hook it to the wall, but my ceiling slants down and it would have been too low and it would have hit the bottom of this. So I just made a little table-like deal out of some 2x4s. Hooked up the dryer vent there in the back, right there, goes through the wall. And this, you push the button in, right here is high, which is in, and push it out, it's low. Here's what it looks like on the inside. It's a 110. Here's the filter. You pull it out. And filters down here. Has like a lint filter there, and then it's got this other filter. Goes in probably, yeah, like that, I guess. Pulls out like that. Put it on like that. Put it all in like that. There you go. And this is another filter here for the air goes in. You can pop it out if you want. And it's pretty light. Works pretty good, actually. Might take like twice as long, I would say, you know, than a 220. I don't know. But just guessing, because it uses probably half the power. Take twice as long. But anyway, there you go. It's back up here and show you what it looks like. There it is. It's 2.65 cubic feet and it works pretty good. So that's about that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.